So in algebra, we should be able to set up an equation, and it can need to happen in a lot of different topics. For instance, it might be used in geometry when we're looking at the area or the volume of a shape. We could use it statistics when we're trying to relate numbers and categories, or it could be applied to life in general. For instance, the different types of money which are representative of values relate to each other and could be represented in an equation, or maybe when we're building up a tax bill, it can be represented by an equation. So we need to be able to create equations, algebraic equations that represent these things in order to solve them and come up with an answer, to come up with values. So we'll have a look at one in geometry then. So in this case, we've got a triangle, and it's telling us the perimeter is 30. The perimeter is the distance around the edge of it. And it's told us that one of the sides is x plus 3, another one is x minus 2, and the third side is x plus 8. So what do we go about doing? Well, we have to see the relationship between the different values of formula that we've been given. In this case, with a triangle, the perimeter of the shape is equal to the first side plus the second side plus the third side. Makes sense. So we can actually substitute the values in now. We know that the perimeter is 30, and we know the values and formula that represent each of those sides. So I can put in that 30 is equal to x plus 3 plus x minus 2 plus x plus 8. And all we've got to do then is solve the equation, because we've simply got 30 is equal to x plus 3 plus x minus 2 plus x plus 8. We gather the like terms together, 3x plus 9, and then it's simple solving with the algebra. Move the 9 over, 21 is equal to 3x, divide by 3, x is equal to 7. Sometimes then you might be, particularly in geometry questions, you might be asked to calculate the actual values that you've been given. So in this case, we were given that the size was x plus 3. Well, what was the actual length of that side? Well, we worked out that the x is 7, so all we've got to do is substitute that x in. So for the side of x plus 3, 7 plus 3, the side is 10. For the side of x minus 2, 7 minus 2 is 5, the side is 5 units long. And then for the side of x plus 8, 7 plus 8 is 15, the side is 15 units long. So that's the answer. The sides are 10, 5 and 15, and you used algebra to work that out. Remember, look for the relationship between the values, create an equation and solve the equation.